Hello everyone and welcome to the second tooltip video for Inserts Pro. Today I'm going to show you the standard shape programming. If you press OK, it starts again the wizard, and the first step is to choose the right fixture type. You can go for an anvil or a special tool holder. The next step is to choose the right shape for the Inserts periphery. Let's go for a W shape. Third step is designing the inserts geometry. So you can choose the inner circle, as well put some relief on the periphery, put in the right blank oversize, as well blank thickness and wafer thickness if you have PCD or PCBN. The next step is to choose the right corner type. You can go for a standard radius or a 2 chamfer 3 radius type. And you choose the grind type if you want grind the radius together with the flats or want to have it separately. After choosing the right corner type, you can still change easily the radius size. The last step is if you have T-land, you can as well enable it and then go for a primary and as well for a secondary. Sizes is very easy to change, and the help images helps you to choose the right dimensions. If you press finish, program is done, and as well the final result is showing you in the simulation. At the end, you can as well simulate all these features together with the right wheel and the tool holder and your machine. Thank you for your attention, and in the next video I will explain about custom shapes.